Not seeing the dark mode option on X and wondering where it went? You're not alone. This changed recently, and here's what's actually going on and how to fix it. So before, inside the X app, you could just go into Settings and toggle dark mode on or off. But now, especially on iPhone, that option has been removed. Instead, dark mode is now controlled directly by your iPhone's system settings. Here's what you need to do. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, and tap on Display and Brightness. At the top, you'll see light and dark mode. Just switch it to dark. Once you do that, go back to the X app and reopen it. You'll notice it automatically switches to dark mode. So basically, the app now follows your phone's theme instead of having its own toggle. Now, if you don't want your entire phone in dark mode, there are a couple of workarounds. First, you can use the web version of X in your browser. That version still lets you manually switch between light and dark mode inside its own settings. Or, if you have access to an Android device, the app there still includes the dark mode option. For now. So yeah, nothing's broken. It's just been moved to system control. And that's it.